Exactly. Well, what should be the first thing one should do if we test positive? Or maybe I would say, कि, why don't you take from the start? कि कैसे you should start detecting for your own self, and then you can take steps to go ahead. Let's take from
Right.
there so that we can connect to it.
So, I mean, very simple protocol. Okay. Though these are learning times, the protocols keep on changing.
Yes.
So you need to get updated because I'm a medical health professional. I keep on updating myself. But a very simple thing for a general population to understand is the moment you get symptoms
Hmm.
like fever, sore throat, cough,
Hmm.
or repeated sneezing, loss of taste, loss of smell,
Hmm.
and at times if you know that you have come in contact with certain COVID positive patient, the best thing is to get yourself isolated.
Hmm. Okay.
And if in case you are sharing a room with certain people, or if you are in a very small place,
Hmm.
try covering your face with a mask.
Hmm.
That is the most utmost important thing, even before you test positive for a certain disease.
Okay.
Second is to contact on 1916, which is the state number for Maharashtra.
Okay.
You contact on 1916,
Okay.
inform them about your current position or
Uh,
your symptoms or whatever it is.
uh,
Third is without going out.
uh,
Very important is without going out, consult a doctor, get a prescription to
uh,
get tested,
okay.
because there are certain private labs who give a visit at home and get you tested.
Okay.
The price for the test has been capped at 4,500 by the Indian government itself. So,
Okay.
it is not going to be costlier than 5,000 or 5,500 if they include certain GSTs or
Travel and
home visit
what?
charges or whatever it is. The moment you get a positive report
Hmm.
of your COVID, you need to assess. I mean, people are very informative and very intelligent right now, I feel. This is that era of Google when a person comes to a doctor and says a certain symptoms, he says it in the language of Google. So
Yeah.
try Googling it if you want to,
Yeah.
but you categorize your symptoms. If
Uh,
you're having high running fever,
uh,
or if you're having difficulty in breathing,
uh,
or if your oxygen saturation is low,
okay.
these are the times when you need to get admitted in a hospital.
Okay. And how does, for example, just to a layman के हिसाब से अगर बोलो तो ये चीज को guess कैसे कर सकते हैं? How can I guess that my oxygen saturation is low? I mean,
So there are instruments in the market right now which are in high demand. A pulse oximeter.
okay.
So it is a simple machine which is
Uh,
put to a finger. It
uh,
will say your heartbeat, how much is your heartbeat, and
uh,
it will say your oxygen saturation. Plain
okay.
and simple, somewhere around 1200 to 1500 rupees.
Okay.
If you're not able to do that, if you're not able to buy that, you just need to call 1916.
Uh,
The moment you test positive, there will be government officials coming to your place,
yes.
doing the sanitation protocol of your house,
Yes.
locking your house,
Yes.
and at the same time they will come and examine you.
Yes.
So it's a very simple thing,
Okay.
but the most important thing is you need to get yourself registered on 1916 so
Okay.
that the government also knows it.
Uh,
Secondly, you can, I mean, all your health, I mean, all your nearbys or
yeah.
contacts can be tested if they have symptoms.
Okay.
And I mean, majority of the patients are asymptomatic or mild symptomatic,
Yeah.
so the protocol for them is either to stay in home isolation
Yeah.
if they have a room with a toilet.
Yes.
So the most important thing, if you're getting home isolated, make sure that you have a room which has a toilet and
Yes.
you don't need to go out of it.
Yes. Yes.
If you do not have that much area,
Uh,
so I mean, once you've registered in 1916, they'll probably personally contact you the
uh,
moment there is a bed available. There are
uh,
mega facilities in BKC, MMRDA, Goregaon. These
uh,
are all COVID care centers. These are like vast, huge
yeah.
systems where you are home isolated. I mean, you are isolated for a couple of days.
Yeah.
For those who are having moderate to higher symptoms like high running fever or difficulty in breathing, such kind of patients need to get admitted,
Hmm.
be it government or private. The problem is the shortage of beds.
Hmm.
So I mean, the moment you register on 1916, there is certain hospital contacts which have been released by the state government,
Okay.
where a certain hospital, a certain doctor, and his contact number has
Ah.
been given. Try contacting them.
Ah.
Try giving them an idea that this are the symptoms.
Ah.
The government has capped even the prices in private medical hospitals, where a non ICU bed is 4,000, ICU bed without ventilator is 7,000, and ICU bed with ventilator is 9,000.
Okay.
So the pretty affordable rates.
Ah.
I mean, you can't help it because the public healthcare system has never been expanded.
Yes.
So these are the protocols.
Okay.
If you have no symptoms to mild symptoms, you home isolate yourself.
Ah.
If you have moderate symptoms, you need to get into the hospital,
Ah.
be it oxygen bed or non-oxygen bed. If you have a higher symptom than a moderate, I mean, a very high running fever, or you're not able to breathe or something like that, you need to get admitted in a hospital with an ICU bed, probably with a ventilator,
Hmm.
the information of which you'll always get on 1916.
Okay.
That was a very pilot project, of which very new project initially. Now it is getting better.
Yeah.
There are certain sites like covidbedmumbai.com, which also provide an real-time info regarding the beds.
Okay. Okay.
So this is how we can all access it. Or the simplest of all, whoever is your near and dear doctor friend, or probably your family doctor,
Ah.
you can always contact them. And I mean, if they can, I mean, these are times where each and every doctor is trying to help any other patient or any of their friends,
Hmm.
so that they can get a bed.
So if someone who is recovered from COVID-19, okay, does that person has a chance to get it again, or till how long will that person get? I mean, be under the danger zone that way.
So basically, there have been very um minor reports, or I would say very small number of reports, where people who have been positive before, gotten negative reports, have fallen positive again.
Mhm.
Till now, at present, we do not know
Okay.
how much is the repositivity rate,
Okay.
or whether I mean, there are certain things where a certain person tested positive, he's tested negative, then and again gets tested positive. So there can be a chances that an antibody has been developed in his body, because of which probably he might have tested positive. So very spurious reports
Hmm.
in general.
Hmm.
That is what I said, this pandemic is just 6 months old to comment on things like
Yeah.
how much is the repositivity rate.
Exactly. Okay. One very curious question: how to handle and dispose of masks?
Exactly. So mask is, I mean, what protocol I follow or my department follows is, because it is, there are chances that it might end up being reused if
Hmm.
you've been, it has been thrown. Plus, even a mask itself can be a fomite. A fomite is where, you can get a contact for COVID.
Okay.
So what we do it ideally is, because hospital setting, you have those biomedical waste managing kind of thing.
Yeah.
So you won't end up, facing problem. But in general, the population,
Ah.
when you end up throwing a mask on the road,
Ah.
in the overall, you end up spreading it
Okay.
somehow. So
Okay.
the best way to do it, I feel, is you cut the mask,
Ah.
put
Ah.
it in a paper bag, and
Ah.
then dispose it off
Ah.
in a dustbin which has a you know
Lit.
lid to
Yeah.
it, which is the ideal, I
Yeah.
feel.
It is a stressful environment everywhere. What is that something that
Exactly.
we should be doing, and maybe your thoughts on mentality over here?
I mean, see, what COVID has made us realize is that, according to the definition of health by World Health Organization or the WHO, is uh, health is not just mere absence of a disease.
Ah.
It is an overall well-being of social,
Ah.
mental,
Ah.
physical,
Ah.
and economic health.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so we are worried about our economic health because our economy is going down.
Yeah.
We are worried about the social health because we are not able to
That we.
meet people.
Ah.
Whatever is our interaction with a person is through the screen.
Yeah.
But we fail to forget that our mental and physical health is an equal contributor to the health overall.
Yeah.
So for physical health, try taking
Hmm.
a walk with a mask in a non-crowded place,
Yes.
not like the walks which we are taking on marine drives or Worli Seaface.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
if probably uh, you have a building like which has a
Yeah,
compound,
building
you can walk
compound
there.
can be done inside your house. Can be.
Or
Yeah.
exactly, I mean, there have been reports where people are so careless and have ended up going to terrace, in a bunch,
Huh,
and
I can see people
creating.
over here in front of my like, playing cricket on the terrace. I've
So
seen
I
people
mean,
playing cricket on terrace and I'm like, bro, ये क्या कर रहा है? जैसे मतलब you are saying कि you're staying away, but तो ball तो तू catch कर ही रहा है ना? वो तो 10
exactly,
लोग पकड़
exactly.
रहे हैं ना?
So that is the issue. We need the need of the hour is right now to stay away
Okay.
from any sort of gathering,
Hmm.
be it 5, 10, or whatever number.
Hmm.
Just stay away from the gathering. That is the most important thing.
Hmm.
If you feel that you're hale and hearty, you're bored, or you have no work to do, I mean, I would suggest that we need help in our hospitals.
Ah.
It is not the medical help.
Yeah,
It
yeah, but
is
admin
just
help
the
हो गया, कोई भी type.
admin or manpower, or
Yeah, yeah.
for that matter, even just speak to the relatives, because these are tough times for the patients.
Yes.
It takes a toll on the patient. I've seen patients getting panic attacks.
Yes.
I've seen patients getting mania. I've
Yes.
seen patients getting depressed at the same time.
Yes.
At the same time, since it is an infectious disease, hospitals do not allow their relatives to be next by the
Yeah.
patient. So even the relatives have had panic attacks, they have
Yes.
had depressions,
Yes.
they have had variety of mental health problems.
Hmm.
So if not anything, I would from your platform ask the people, just come into the hospitals,
Yeah.
just speak to the relatives.
Yeah.
If you're so so careless about
If you
getting
want to
infected,
go
end
out
up
for the
coming to a
good
hospital.
purpose. Go out
Exactly,
for a good thing rather than or else don't go out.
exactly. So the physical health part is, you can take a jog, have a run. There's so many apps which are giving you body weight exercises which can be done at home. I myself have been practicing them for last 3 months.
Hmm.
These all exercises just keep on and help in
Yeah.
releasing your endorphins, and hence the physical health is good. At the
Ah.
same time, when endorphins are released, you have a good, you are in that euphoria kind of state.
Yeah.
You are in the best of your health,
Hmm.
if your mind, because there's so many depressing things going on TV, not no personal interaction.
I've stopped
it
reading news. I am like
it
this is
takes a toll.
going
I
bad.
mean,
Yeah, yeah, it is bad. So
it
I am
is
like
going to
a
take
new
toll.
Yeah. And
So
mentally,
I
what is
mean,
something that what people should be doing? I mean, so
mentally,
I
I
think one thing
feel
that I have told a couple of my friends is, okay, funny videos dekho. Okay, it will make you laugh.
exactly
Okay, watch funny
right.
and happy movies. It will make your mind calm and relax and again happier in a way. So I am
True.
doing that for myself. I'm watching funny movies every night and then sleeping. मैं लगा हाँ चलो नींद में tension नहीं चाहिए. So I am trying
True.
to do that way, and I think that is something is also something what I learned from people is that if you are going to keep stressing out, it will reduce your immunity, and that will
True.
also not be a good thing. It will be bad, so that you will not be able to fight also. कल उठ के
Very
अगर
true.
वायरस
Very
आ
true.
गया या कुछ होता है तो ऑलरेडी यू बीन डिप्रेस्ड और स्ट्रेस्ड, तो इम्यूनिटी कम हो चुकी है, तो इम्यूनिटी फाइट नहीं कर पाएगी. So I think that is one thing. Also, अभी for
Very true.
example, let's assume hypothetically, I तो always wish that कि कल के कल कोरोना खत्म हो जाए, ठीक है? I want that. I really want that. But I know the science behind it is not going to let it happen in that easy way. I am not planning to get out of the house for a longer time. But what do you think? How long should so hypothetically, if we say कि we need to put the lockdown back, तो कब तक लॉकडाउन करना पड़ेगा इंडिया में? What do you think?
See, what I feel is, even, I mean, it's the problem is somehow people have started feeling that we've had a lot of lockdown. I mean, there have been instances where in Italy or France, they've had lockdowns for almost 80 days.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not comparing India to Italy.
हाँ.
Okay, India has almost 3 to 4 times higher population. India has 3 to 4 times poorer the population.
Yes.
So obviously the economic activities have to start.
Yeah.
Obviously, the lockdown has to start easing out,
Hmm.
because its initial purpose of having not letting a sudden peak come has been served.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I urge people that even if you want to fall out, you need to maintain certain norms, that is wearing a mask, sanitizing your hands, and the most important thing for all the Mumbaikars, maintain social distancing, because it is the most important thing right now. We are not used to it. We've not born and brought up in that culture
Yeah.
where social distancing is a norm.
Yes.
The first thing we do when we go out is, give a high five to a friend and, probably hug,
हाँ,
which has to
exactly.
change.
Exactly.
It
अभी से
needs to
नमस्ते पे आ
change.
गए, सब लोग नमस्ते पे आ गए, दूर से
Exactly.
नमस्ते करो, बस हो गया. हमारे लिए वो बेस्ट है, हाथ वाथ मिलाना बाद में करेंगे, अभी जरूरत नहीं है. What is the most common comorbidity amongst COVID-19 patients who didn't make it through?
Diabetes or diabetes, respiratory disorders, these are the most common comorbidities where patients are not making through, because patients are not able to maintain that ideal sugar levels. And per se also, people do not have a good control on sugar in diabetic population in general in India. So that takes a toll. Majority of it. I mean, if there's a community spread, I mean, none of the healthcare systems in the world are going to be able to cater to it. And we live in India.
Yeah.
So India spends around 1.2% of its GDP on its health. So it is never going to be able to sustain to such a huge number of population. Even if it has to treat to only the serious patients, it will not be able to cater to them. So people need to understand that these are tough times. If you feel so free, if you feel so bored, if you feel so not, I'll not be infected, please come to an hospital, not for any medical purpose, not for any medical help, just to speak to the relatives.
Yeah.
Because what that will serve is as just to relieve the relatives from the anxiety they are having, so that it can ease the doctor to do his job.
Yeah, because doctor is now working and वो काम छोड़ के उसको ये करना पड़ रहा है, बहुत सारी चीजें करनी पड़ रही है.
Exactly. So there are multi-pronged things which a doctor is doing right now.
Yes.
So that needs to be
Thanks
eased
a
on.
lot, यार, बहुत सारा insight दिया तूने यार, and thank you so much. What work you are doing is incredible, and I hope you stay safe and your family stays safe. And bro, I mean, just keep going on, because I know the fear and I know how bad it is, and I really wish that every healthcare worker right now, which is supposed to be catered as a superhero, I hope people don't forget this factor के भाई जो है ये लोग है बचाने के लिए, और कोई नहीं बचाने आने वाला है, स्पेशली सेलिब्रिटीज. वो कोई बचाने नहीं आने वाले. कुछ लोग अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, आई लव देम एंड ऑल दैट, बट वो हीरोज नहीं है, ये रियल हीरोज है. So I really respect that fact, and thanks a lot. And I got a lot of insights, and I hope people learn that they can stay indoors, and I hope we all can cover out and come out of this problem. And I hope the whole world comes out of this problem. मैं तो बोलूँ कि यार कल के कल कोरोना खत्म हो जाए, because बस हो गया यार. I really don't want people to die anymore. That's all. I mean, I've seen so many bad cases, and I know, yaar, I mean, I can't imagine what is gonna go through to the families of the patients, and the spread is so bad that मुझे पता है कि एक के पीछे दूसरा भी affect हो रहा है और उसके पीछे तीसरा भी हो रहा है. I've heard that a family of 10 में से 5 लोग मर गए, and that's devastating news, yaar. It's
it's a devastating news not for them, it is a devastating news for you, for a doctor who has worked so hard behind that patient.
Exactly.
So it's a devastating news for everyone.
Exactly.
So thank you for bringing me on this platform. I hope I can make an impact.
I hope I can make
whatever followers
and
followers you have.
Yes.
And I mean, I hope it can urge people to stay home, stay safe,
Yeah.
take care of themselves, give the importance to your health, and health is not only economic thing, it is
Yes,
physical, mental, social, everything.
yes,
So we
yes.
need to take into account that if
Huh.
we have to stay home to break the chain, let's stay home, let's break the chain, let's get rid of this problem
Yeah, yeah,
for
yeah.
once and for
Let's
all.
completely break the chain. Let's get rid of this problem because किसी को नहीं चाहिए. No one is enjoying out of it. So let's all stay indoors. I really request everyone to please understand and realize maybe a person who is fighting on the front line is saying something like this to you guys. So please at least कुछ नहीं तो उसका सुन लो. And please stay indoors. Please. ठीक है. Thanks a lot.
Yep.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Rushabh.
you.